So let's talk about an introduction to economics. But first, what is economics? Economics is the study on how to allocate resources efficiently. The primary question behind economics is that we have unlimited wants, but we only have limited resources. This brings us to the concept of trade-offs, where we must sacrifice something in order to get something else. In economics, this is called opportunity cost. What is opportunity cost? Well, opportunity cost is defined as the best alternative that we forego or sacrifice when we make a decision or take an action. Here's an example. The opportunity cost for using our own money to start a business is the interest income that we could have earned from putting that same money into a savings account. Let's transition to the two major branches of economics. The first major branch is microeconomics, and the second major branch is macroeconomics. Microeconomics deals with individuals, such as individual products, individual firms, and individual industries. On the other hand, macroeconomics deals with one country's economy as one unit or as a whole. Now let's talk about the Production Possibility Frontier, or PPF for short. The Production Possibility Frontier shows all of the combinations of products that can be produced by using all of the resources available. Let's take a look at our example. On the vertical axis, we have motorcycles, and on the horizontal axis, we have cars. Let's take a look at some points in our example. Let's take a look at point A. At point A, this is an inefficient use of resources, or not all of the resources are used for production. Now, points B and C both fall on the Production Possibility Frontier. Thus, points B and C are both efficient uses of resources. However, at point B, only motorcycles are produced, and at point C, both motorcycles and cars are produced. Finally, let's take a look at point D. Point D is unattainable. We do not have enough resources to produce that combination of motorcycles and cars. Now let's take a look at some shifts in the Production Possibility Frontier. You may remember this example. On the vertical axis, we have motorcycles, and on the horizontal axis, we have cars. Note that PPF 0 is our original Production Possibility Frontier. Let's look at the first shift, represented by the red arrow. In this case, the Production Possibility Frontier shifts outward. This represents expansion or economic growth. This means there could be more resources available, or we could have become more efficient in production. Now let's look at the opposite scenario, represented by the blue arrow or inward shift in the Production Possibility Frontier. This blue shift represents contraction or economic decline. There could have been depletion of resources, or there could have been a drop in production efficiency. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.